Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is Sai. Previously, we discussed about generative AI. What is generative AI and what are the use cases of generative AI? So today we'll come with a new topic, no code. Today we will majorly discuss about what is no code, how no code will work, and some of the use cases of no code. So firstly, we should know what is no code. No code is a software development method that required no coding skills. So no code is any way of building apps, applications without writing a single line of code. It doesn't matter if you might be a coder or you might be a someone who's completely non-technical. It doesn't matter it. So if you have a problem, you want to solve it without writing a single line of code by using no code platform such as Zapier, Webflow, host of some other services like that. So the second one is how no code will work. So no code development is nothing but a software development or web development. So it allows both programmers and non-programmers to create softwares by using graphical interface with instead of writing code. So this graphical interface usually involves drag and drop boxes that imitate a user's interactions with a computer. So the last one is some of the use cases of no code. So no code is mainly used in data management applications, process management applications like that. So if we take data management applications, you can connect the data to any database. For example, if we take MySQL database like that, with the ability to edit or to update, to delete the data. So that's all about today. Today we will discuss about what is no code and some of the use cases of no code and how no code will work. So I hope you got some information about no code. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. You will get more updates about 4.0 technologies. Thank you.